we are making New Orleans Bananas Foster, the Alex Naeger version. Start out by getting 2 bananas. Peel the bananas and cut it in half twice. Next, get your pan hot at 50% heat. Add 4 tablespoons of butter, then stir until it melts. Put in 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then stir for 40 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir for 20 seconds. Add the bananas with the inside facing down. Take it off the heat and stir in 1/4 a cup of Grand Marnier. Turn the heat up to 70%. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Now we're gonna plate. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, put 2 spoons in hot water and use the 2 spoons to shape the ice cream like a football. Make 3 of these, or as many as you like. Add the bananas. Then garnish it with fresh mint. And it is finished.